Shri Gurudev, welcome to chemistry online classes. So today we will discuss about the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, some of the important nucleophilic addition as well as nucleophilic addition elimination reactions are studied under the following headings. So first one is addition of hydrogen cyanide. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. Yesterday I have told carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones, undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, so that reactions are studied under the following heading. So first one is addition of hydrogen cyanide. So this reaction is important. So this reaction and mechanism is already asked in the examination for 2 marks. Explain the mechanism of addition of hydrogen cyanide to carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. This is C double bond O, whether it may be aldehyde or ketone. So reacts with hydrogen cyanide. To form cyanohydrin. C single bond OH, single bond CN. This is cyanohydrin. It is carbonyl compound. So that is combines with or reacts with or adds with hydrogen cyanide to form cyanohydrin complex. Okay. The mechanism of this reaction takes place in 2 steps. So this is important. So mechanism of this reaction takes place in 2 steps. Step 1. That is generation of nucleophile. Step 1. Generation of nucleophile. Cn minus cyanide ion. Okay. HCN, pure HCN, hydrogen cyanide, combines with base, that is OH minus, to give Cn minus nucleophile plus H2O. Pure hydrogen cyanide, combines with base, that is OH minus, to generate, that is nucleophile Cn minus plus H2O. This is first step. Step 2. Second step. Attack of nucleophile. Step 2. Attack of nucleophile to carbonyl carbon. Attack of nucleophile to carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon, that is C double bond O, this is carbon bearing a partial positive charge and oxygen bearing a partial negative charge, is attacked by the nucleophile, that is cyanide Cn minus. So attacks the carbonyl carbon, this double bond shifts to form the tetrahedral intermediate. To form the tetrahedral intermediate, that is C O minus, that is Cl. This is tetrahedral intermediate. That is single bond single bond oxygen O minus, single bond Cl. This is tetrahedral intermediate. The tetrahedral intermediate is attacked by the proton, that is abstracted by the proton, and right here it is C O minus Cn is abstracted by the proton H plus from the reaction mixture, to form cyanohydrin. This is cyanohydrin. This is cyanohydrin. So this is the mechanism. Okay, this is the mechanism of, so that is, so addition of SN to carbon compound. So that takes place in 2 steps. Okay. Okay. Next, we're going to take one such example for this one mechanism. So example for this one is, so first one, A. You give carbon compound one side, that is CH3 single bond H double bond O. The name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So reacts with, that is nucleophile Cn minus to form, that is a tetrahedral intermediate, that is CH3C single bond CH single bond O minus single bond Cn. Okay, and that is addition of proton will take place from the reaction mixture, or abstract of, so proton from the reaction mixture takes place to form the intermediate. That intermediate is OHCN. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. So in the examination they will ask, so they will give question like this: CH3CHO plus SCN. They will give complete SCN. So arrow mark, question mark, you should have to write this structure, that is name, that is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin complex. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin complex. CH3C single bond H single bond OH single bond Cn. This is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. We take second example. That is ketone. This is aldehyde. Another one you take ketone. That is CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 double bond O. This is acetone. Acetone combines with cyanide Cn minus cyanide ion to form the tetrahedral intermediate. That tetrahedral intermediate is CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 single bond O minus single bond Cn. So this is obstructed by the proton, that is, so H plus, to form the intermediate CH3 single bond C single bond OH single bond Cn single bond CH3. This is acetone cyanohydrin. This is acetone cyanohydrin. If it is asked, if they are asked in the examination, so acetone plus hydrogen cyanide, what happens to, so what is the product formed when hydrogen cyanide so reacts or combines with acetone? You should have to write acetone cyanohydrin. This is the complex formula. The complex formula is called as acetone cyanohydrin. You take one example for aldehydes and ketones. So that's about addition of hydrogen. Okay. Second reaction, that is addition of sodium bisulfite. Addition of sodium bisulfite. Formula for sodium bisulfite is NaHSO3. Sodium hydrogen sulfide or sodium bisulfite. Okay. Carbonyl compounds, that is C double bond O. So combines with sodium bisulfite to form the intermediate. That intermediate is single bond C, and take to single bond SO3H, single bond ONA. So this is the intermediate. So next, proton transfer takes place. Next is proton transfer takes place. This is proton transfer takes place. So proton transfer takes place to form the intermediate. That intermediate is SO3 Na single bond OH. This is bisulfide addition compound. Bisulfide addition compound. Bisulfide addition compound. This is addition of sodium bisulfide. Carbonyl compounds adds to hydrogen bisulfide to form the intermediate. So intermediate on proton transfer gives bisulfide addition compound. Okay, we take example for this reaction. Okay, take example. Examples. Yeah. So you take aldehyde CH3 C double bond O connected to H. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde. So adds to sodium bisulfide. Sodium bisulfide to form the intermediate CH3C single bond H single bond SO3H connected to single bond ONA. So next is proton transfer. Second step again, proton transfer takes place to give the intermediate product, final product, that is CH3 single bond C single bond H connected to SO3 Na single bond OH. This is acetaldehyde sodium bisulfide addition compound. This is acetaldehyde sodium bisulfide compound. This is acetaldehyde sodium bisulfide. So addition compound. Addition compound. So likewise, we take second example, that is for ketones. Acetone CH3 C double bond O connected to CH3. This is acetone. Adds to sodium bisulfide to form the intermediate CH3C single bond CH3 single bond SO3H single bond ONA. This is the intermediate. So on proton transfer, so final product is formed. That the final product is CH3 single bond CH3 single bond. So that is SO3 Na single bond OH. This is the final product. This final product is acetone. Acetone sodium bisulfide. Acetone sodium bisulfide addition compound. Acetone sodium bisulfide addition compound. So this question has also been asked in the examination also for 1 mark, 2 marks. Okay, this is addition of sodium bisulfide. So next is addition of Grignard reagent. Next is addition of Grignard reagent, that is third one. Addition of Grignard reagent. of Grignard reagents. Carbon compounds, that is C double bond O, adds to Grignard reagents, or MgX to form the intermediate, that is C single bond C single bond R single bond OMgX. This on hydrolysis in presence of acid gives alcohols plus MgXOH. This is alcohols. So carbon compounds are treating with Grignard reagents. This is Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide called as Grignard reagent. So gives alcohols. Yes? Alcohols. So you take examples. So first one. Yeah. To give aldehyde, that is CH3 single bond C double bond O protected. Acetaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium bromide called as Grignard reagent to form intermediate, that is CH3 single bond C connected to single bond CH3 connected to single bond OMgR. So this on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acid gives the final product, that is CH3 single bond CH connected to single bond OH connected to single bond CH3 plus MgBr OH. This is alcohols. That alcohol is 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 carbon atoms. Root word is pro. Type of linkages single bond AN. In second position, there will be a presence of function group OH. Therefore, the second suffix is OL. That is propan 2OL. So likewise, if you take, that is, so instead of H, if you give CH3, that is CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond O. This is acetone. Acetone reacts with methyl magnesium bromide, Grignard reagent, to give intermediate, that is CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond CH3, single bond OMgBr. So this one hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids gives final product, that is CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond CH3, single bond OH plus MgBr OH. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is 1, 2, 3. So that is 2 methyl. So 3 carbon atoms. So this does not belong to the longest carbon chain. So therefore the name of the substance is methyl. Its position on the carbon atom is 2. 2 methyl, 3 carbon atoms for type of linkage single bond AN, and in second position there will be presence of function group 2OL. That is 2 methyl, 2 propanol, or 2 methyl propan, 2OL. That is tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, so this is about addition of Grignard reagent. Okay, so next is addition of alcohols. Fourth reaction is addition of alcohols. Addition of alcohols. This is nothing but formation of acetals. Formation of acetals and ketones. Formation of acetals and ketones. So this is nothing but that is addition of alcohols to carbonyl compounds. So this is also important, has been already asked in the examination for, so 2 marks. Okay. Okay. Aldehydes. RC double bond O connected to H. Aldehydes RCHO. So adds to alcohols ROH. Aldehydes on addition of 1 mole of alcohols. 1 mole of, so that is monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols, not dihydric, monohydric alcohols. This is aldehyde. Aldehydes adds to 1 mole of monohydric alcohols to form alkoxy alcohol, to form alkoxy alcohol, to form alkoxy alcohol compound known as hemiacetal. Known as hemiacetal. Hemiacetal formed on addition of another 1 mole of monohydric alcohols forms dialkoxy alcohol compound. Dialkoxy alcohol intermediate known as acetals. Known as acetals. That general reaction can be written as RCHO plus R-OH gives R single bond CH single bond OR dash single bond OH. This is hemiacetal. This is hemiacetal. That is alkoxy alcohol called as hemiacetal. This on addition of another molecule of alcohol. This on addition of another molecule of monohydric alcohol gives dialkoxy alcohol intermediate called as acetals. OR dash H combines with OH. H2O. Take one such example for this. You give CH3 here. CH3, C double bond O connected to H. This is acetaldehyde. So reacts with ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH. This is monohydric alcohol gives, that is CH3 single bond CH single bond O C2H5 single bond OH. This is hemiacetal. So this addition of another molecule of monohydric alcohol. This addition of another molecule of monohydric alcohol gives dialkoxy alcohol compound called as acetals. Single bond CH, single bond O C2H5, single bond O C2H5 plus H2O. The name of this compound is, that is acetal is carbon 1, carbon 2. This is 1, 1 diethoxy. This is 1, 1 diethoxy. C2H5O is called as ethoxy. 2 carbon atom is E. Type of linkages is ANE. This is 1, 1 diethoxy ethane called as acetals. This is acetals. Okay, so next is, that is formation of ketols. Formation of ketols. That is CH3 C double bond O connected to single bond CH3. That is acetone. Acetone. So adds to ethylene glycol CH2OH. Single bond CH2OH. This is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. To form ethylene glycol, to form CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond O, single bond CH2 O CH2, single bond O CH2 plus H2O. This is ketols. This is ketols. CH3, single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond OCH2, single bond OCH2 plus H2O. So that is, so removal of water molecule, so H2O. So this is called as ketols. This is ketols. Okay, thank you.